Did you know that sunflower seeds went to space? I'm going to be going over with you 13 fascinating facts about the beautiful sunflower. But before I do, please take a moment to subscribe if you have not already and ring that notification bell so you can be notified every time that I release a new video. The beautiful sunflower heads tracks the sun. As the morning sun rises in the east, these beautiful sunflower heads face east. Then as the sun continues to go toward the west, they're going to follow and track the sun facing west at sunset, repeating the process day after day until the flower heads no longer can do the movement because their heads are too heavy and their stalks are too stiff. At that point, they will stay stationary, facing east, the rising of the sun. In years past, the sunflower was commonly used for natural remedies. Back in the day, the Native Americans used every part of the sunflower for natural medicinal remedies. We probably all have heard about what a great superfood microgreens are. You can take the black oil sunflower seeds and sprout them and have a tasty, delicious, nutrient-packed superfood. If you're not allergic to sunflower seeds, they make a great tasting sunflower nut butter, a great alternative to peanut butter. Did you know that sunflower seeds went to space? In 2012, U.S. astronaut Donald Pettit took sunflower seeds to the International Space Station to grow. Also, not all sunflowers are yellow. Sunflowers are loved for their huge sunny yellow blooms, but there are also deep red, burnt orange, purple, white, and other colors. The tallest sunflower ever grown is listed in the Guinness Book of World Records, grown by Hans Peter Schäfer in 2014, a whopping 30 feet 1 inch. The state of Kansas' nickname is the Sunflower State. In 1903, the native wild sunflower was designated as the state of Kansas' official state flower. Sunflowers have been used to predict a good harvest. Back in the days, the Hopi Native Americans believed that when the sunflowers were in abundance that year, that was a good sign that the harvest would be abundant as well. The black oil sunflower seeds are used to make healthy snacks, sunflower oil, and even bird seed. The sunflower head is made up of 1,000 to 2,000 of very little smaller flowers on the inside of the head. Each petal circling the sunflower is another flower within itself. When the sunflower head gets closer time to harvest, you can get 1,000 or more sunflower seeds from one single head. I have lots of sunflowers in bloom. If you have found value in this video, would you take a moment to subscribe if you have not already, and give me a thumbs up and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.